Hey guys, it looks like I'm going to be out today with sick kids. And obviously you can tell by my voice, there's not a lot there. So I'm going to kind of walk you through what you need to do in class today. So you're going to go to Schoology. You're going to go to today's folder, which is Wednesday, 9/29, and you're going to open up the learning directions. Once you open them up, it's going to tell you to start by watching the CNN 10, and the link is down here for you to watch it. And then you're going to go take the CNN 10 check-in. Once you're done, you're going to start to learn about the Mexican-American War. And today you're going to use a storyboard to write down what you learned. And by a storyboard, what you're going to do is there's subtopics as you read. And each time you get to a little subtopic, you're going to stop, you're going to write a summary, and then you're going to draw an image or pictures that detail or help you remember what this section was about, and then you'll go on to the next one. So you're going to pause after each one of these subtopics. So I'm going to show you what that looks like in your textbook. So when you go to Clever and you log on, you're going to go to Lesson 15, Section 6, the Mexican-American War, and then you're going to start breaking it down. So this very first chunk is the intro section. So you're going to read this. You're going to stop. You're going to write a quick 2 or 3 sentence summary of what's important about this for us to remember, and then you're going to create a visual to help you picture this in your mind. Okay, then you'll move on to the next section, which is when war breaks out in Texas. You'll read this section and then stop, write a summary, and draw a picture. And then you'll keep doing that for each one. So here's the fall of New Mexico and California. The United States invades Mexico. The Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo. And then last but not least, the Gadsden Purchase. Okay, some different ways you can organize this storyboard are seen here in these 3 examples that I will also upload into your learning work folder for today. So if you'd like to use one of these, you can, or you can create your own. So this first one is just a chart where we have the title, the storyboard, and then we have each section, the intro, war breaks out, fall of New Mexico, U.S. invades Mexico, the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo, and Gadsden Purchase. And what you're going to do then is for the intro, here's where you'll write your summary, here's where you put your visuals. War breaks out in Texas, here's where you put your summary, here's where you put your visual. Another option could be just straight down in a row like this, where you just put your summary and then your visual. And then a third one is just like a freelance. So you can kind of organize it how you see fit. Oops, it's not quite up there also. Give me just 1 second and I'll move it. So you do have an option also, like I said, to kind of freelance it. So here's the intro. I drew an arrow to show this is the way I'm going around the paper. Here is war breaks out in Texas. There's the fall of New Mexico and California. U.S. invades Mexico, Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo, into Gadsden Purchase. And you can kind of arrange the space however you need it. So if you need less space to write this summary for the intro and you need more for over here, you can take more space. Even though my examples look very, very similar in size, you might need more space for a summary for one subcategory than another. Okay, so these are the 3 examples that I will put in Schoology for you guys to look at to use, but know also that you can arrange it in your own creative space as well. Once you have finished reading the Gadsden Purchase and then written your summary and drawn your image or images, you're done for the day. So this needs to be completed before class on Thursday. You guys can email me a Schoology message if you have questions. Otherwise, I hope to be back in school on Thursday.